What's up, Visuals fam, and welcome back to the channel for another video. So as you saw by the title probably, today we are going to be taking a look at another keyboard, mechanical keyboard that is, from Womier or GamaKay. I don't know, they must have changed their name, something like that. But most of you guys probably know it as the Womier K87. Now this is like basically the bigger brother of the K66 we already reviewed on the channel. And if you have not seen that video already, go ahead and click up here and I will link that for you. But anyway, we're gonna take a look at this mechanical keyboard and what differences it has to the smaller K66, being that it actually is hot swappable and a bunch of other different things. So we're gonna get into that right now. Let's roll the intro and get right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so a couple of you have brought this to my attention about URCDKey, and you are correct, there is a bit of an issue on their website with the payment options. So what you're going to have to do is go down to the bottom right where you see their customer service window, and you'll have to purchase the Windows 10 Pro OEM key from that link that you see in there and use that promo code that they give you. My promo code will not work for this, and once you check out, you'll notice everything works just fine. I know the little link for it looks kind of funky, but it does work. They're just encountering a little bit of a payment issue with the US right now, so that's probably why that's happening. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and hopefully you are able to use the ad still and get your keys like you wanted.
URCDKey has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices on their Microsoft Office 2016 bundle that comes with a Windows 10 license as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in your product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, type in my promo code, once again, RAV20, and see the sweet savings appear. Check the links in the video description to learn more.
So one thing that I did want to make sure that I pointed out to you guys is the fact that the K87 is hot swappable. So the K66, if you guys remember, definitely wasn't. It was soldered to the board, but this K87 is hot swappable, and you can switch out whatever kind of switches you want. So I just went ahead and took out one of the Gateron yellows that we have here, switched it out with one of the Pro Burgundies I had laying around, and went ahead and just did that just to show you guys that it is possible. And here's what it sounds like. Alright, so what do I personally like about the K87 better than the K66 that we previously reviewed? Now, I think you all know what I'm about to say here. I personally am very glad that the K87 is a TKL keyboard, and it has all the function keys that I'm used to on the right side there, especially that print screen button. So I'm actually okay with the keyboard being a bit larger if I can have those keyboard functions back that I'm used to on there. So editing my videos is a bit easier like I'm used to, and my muscle memory isn't all over the place. So what do you all think of this keyboard? Would you pick one up for yourself? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and while you're down there, go ahead and leave a like on the video for me so I know that I did a good job of reviewing this keyboard for you. Also, if you couldn't tell, I'm actually really enjoying the K87 here. It may stay on my desk for a little while, and since it's just stock right now, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and modify it with some lube, custom keycaps, maybe an artisan keycap or something like that, all that stuff. So if you want to make sure you see that video, go ahead and get subscribed and turn those notifications on so you'll never miss when I'm going ahead and posting a new video. So until then, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Later.